Me, Steven, and Casey have been driving all night long to get away from the rain and the heat and just all the terrible weather that we've been having in Louisiana. So we're driving from New Orleans to Colorado. We're going straight there, no stopping except to eat and get gas. Though it's like pretty much the polar opposite of where we're at. Instead of everything being green and wet all the time, it's actually like cool. It's like 30 degrees. There's a little bit of snow up there. All the animals are eating and wandering around. All the leaves are turning an awesome like red and orange and yellow. It's gonna make for awesome pictures, awesome video, and I can't wait till we get there. But my driving shift's over. I'm going to sleep. I'm having such a hard time sleeping. We've stopped for like our third or fourth time. Casey's sick. Steven's fine.
Yeah, I'm good.
Steven's enjoying life back there. What's on your camera right now?
It's lovely 100 to 300.
Oh man, shooting pictures of birds in the parking lot and shit. And I'm so Casey's sick. Steven's doing fine. And I'm delusional and I have insomnia. I can't sleep. I'm so tired. Only slept 3 hours the last 24, but I just can't sleep. Too excited. All right, back to the intro. You see, the problem with Casey is he keeps eating Sour Patch Kids and Jacqueline's teriyaki jerky. So he keeps getting sick. He should be eating peanut butter crackers and these healthy little breakfast bars. But these are the culprits right here. If you're feeling bad, you shouldn't be eating Sour Patch Kids and Jacqueline's teriyaki jerky. It's not good. It feels so amazing right now. It's like 60 degrees. I've been living in like 90 and 100 degree weather, and like 60 degrees, no humidity, just feels like amazing. I don't know what does this either. I don't know if it's like the atmosphere, but like the sun has been out with like no clouds all day, and it still makes a really soft light over everything. Nothing was like crazy overexposed. I feel like if the same exact scenario was back home, I couldn't shoot during the day without all kind of extra stuff to get the light right. Yet over here, it's just pretty. Anyway, we've got about 2 hours left before we reach our destination. So on this trip, I have all my camera gear, but I packed my clothes really fast, so I have like 2 pairs of pants and 3 shirts, just like V-neck t-shirts, and it's supposed to snow. So I'm gonna pay for that later. But anyway, I think we're about filled up on gas, so we're gonna continue the last home stretch. And I think today I'm gonna be beat. I'm just gonna go to sleep, and then tomorrow we're gonna go out and start hiking. This is a brand new car. It's so dirty now, just from driving 2,000 miles. And this, all of these guts are from monarch butterflies. Giant monarch butterflies. Just, there are going to be so many butterflies in the state of Colorado and Texas in tiny wheelchairs.
It's cold. It's really cool. The door doesn't close. It's interesting.
Just
What
like
do you like? Do you have a set shot that you really want? Like, what's the shot you're going for? If you could just have
The
one.
whole trip,
Yeah. Like, are you looking for something in particular?
I want to get a change in Aspen shot. Something like wide angle. Kind of like straight down.
That's stupid. What shot do you want to get? No. I'm joking. I'm joking.
No, I would like to get that, and then I would like to get some lake shots. The reflections. Some long exposures.
All right. What do you want to get?
it's all about the portrait game for me, man. Pictures of the pictures.
All right, people. I think I'm gonna go for like. I want a deer. I want a deer drinking lake. Oh, not listen, dude. Look at this guy.
What's that?
This guy in the middle of a the middle of a vlog.
No. Why?
This is what he thinks of the people.
Huh?
I'm done. So we've just arrived at our hotel 22 hours later. Haven't slept at all. I'm gonna close this vlog out now. Hit that like button if you like this video. If you want more hair in your future, hit subscribe. And if you want to be notified exactly when my videos come out, hit that notification bell. Other than that, see you tomorrow. Bye.